Hello everyone, today we will talk about Thymus training. First, we need to know what is the thymus. The thymus is an organ right here that looks like a chicken wing. And what it is also called? It's also called the mother university. Why? Because they die here. What die? Your immune cell, the adaptive immune system cell. So, today we will see about the training of T cell in the mother university. First, it starts out as a pre-T cell, and it has receptions. So, it will pass through a lot of tests that will determine if it can survive or not. If it's not, it will be ordered to self-destruct, and macrophage will eat it and recycle it to a new one with different receptors. So, first, does it have functioning receptors? If no, then it dies. Why? Receptors are the way of talking between immune cells. They don't have eyes, but they have receptors. They're like the skin, but they talk through skin, not through mouth and listen through ear. So, if yes, then it will evolve. The next challenge is it good at communicating with other immune cells? Imagine you cannot speak and your friend asks this, what is it? And you really funny, yeah? But if your immune cell can't control or talk to other immune cells, they will let the enemy stroll in and do more damage. So, if it can communicate with other immune cells, it will pass. But if not, it dies too. So, the last part and the most essential part is, does it recognize self? What is self? Self is us, our cells. Our cells have sample of them. And if a T cell has sample of them, it means that the T cell, if activated, will attack our body. So that's the job of the thymus, is to make T cells that are not available or is not trained enough will die, so that only the good one will stay. And only 2 live. Why? Because there are so many tests to follow. The main idea is that the main job of the thymus is only shows teacher cells to grab sample of your cells sample and present them. If a T cell has that sample, then it will be ordered to self-destruct. But sometimes a T cell escapes the thymus. And what now? So, if can, the dendritic cell can also do it. It will take us after a battle or in the battle. It will take sample of the enemies and put it like in a jar or on the body. But sometimes, accidentally, it will pick up one of your dead cells that died in the fighting. And what if from very bad luck you get in there? Your dendritic cell has the protein, and that escaped T cells recognize the protein. Then it will start a philosophy. And what happened? It will go out and fight you. You have none to protect you. Why? Because all your immune system are against you. But we do have one ally left. That is the regulatory cell. Well, regulatory cell, it, like example, it can function, it are functioning receptors, and it do not recognize self, but it isn't good at communicating. It could pass, but not very pass, but a bit pass. It's like you don't graduate from university, you learn it and you get a degree, but not a master degree. So, it will become a regulatory T cell that will make the body to shut down. But sometimes it also fails. So, if that happens, it will result in autoimmune disease. We will talk about autoimmune disease in others. And thank you. Bye bye.